I shall discuss how to calculate the different parameter of growth scan like PI of MCA, PI of umbilical artery and their percentile and percentile of estimated fetal weight, and to determine whether there is any fetal growth restriction or not. For this reason, come to Barcelona calculator and write Barcelona calculator on Google bar, and you will get the calculator calculadoras fetal medicina barcelona.org, medicina fetal Barcelona. Now click calculadoras. You will get the different options. So go to Doppler. Now we shall go to umbilical artery. Gestational age, let 34 weeks 4 days. Let the PI or pulsatility index is 1.1. Calculate 80%, so it's normal. Now go to middle cerebral artery. 34 weeks 4 days. Pulsatility index let 1.3. Calculate. This is 6 percentile, normal. Now cerebroplacental ratio. 34 weeks 4 days. PI of cerebral or middle cerebral artery 1.3. Then PI of umbilical artery 1.2. Calculate. This is 1.08 percentile. So this is more than 1, but the percentile is 2 percentile. So this is pathological Doppler. Many sonologists or many radiologists give interpretation CPR more than 1 is equal to normal Doppler, but this is a wrong concept. Here you can see the CPR or cerebroplacental ratio is 1.08, but the percentile is 2, so this is pathological. In the same way, you can calculate uterine artery, gestational age in days, likely 34 weeks 4 days. Right and left uterine artery 1.4, left 1.3, calculate. More than 99 percentile. This is pathological. In this way, you can also calculate ductus venosus or aortic mass, etc. And you can also calculate percentile of the fetal growth. Come to the fetal growth. LMP, write 34 weeks 4 days. EFW, write 2360 gram. Select In India, selection of gender is prohibited, so by default we are choosing female patient, female baby. So the EFW percentile is 54. Fetal growth restriction, no fetal growth, no fetal growth restriction, no FGR. Now again come to another case, 34 weeks 4 days. If EFW is 1700 gram, female, this is 1 percentile. If it is less than 3 percentile, this is fetal growth restriction. If the EFW percentile is 3 to 10 percentile with pathological Doppler or pathological change of MCA or umbilical artery PI or cerebral placental ratio, this will also be fetal growth restriction. In this way, you can calculate the different parameters of Doppler and EFW of growth scan and fetal Doppler.